Hey guys, today's SeeSaw assignment is this. We are going to spend every day this week getting to know how to use SeeSaw so you can be comfortable adding things to your journal. So we're going to go on a scavenger hunt today. So what I would like you to do first is I want you to go around your house and I want you to find one thing that is shaped like a square. Now remember, a square has 4 sides and every side is the same length. Once you find something in your house that is square, I want you to take your iPad or your tablet and I want you to take a picture of it. So to take a picture of it, you're going to press this green plus button. You're again going to click on the pencil, post student work, and you're going to click here on the camera. When you click on the camera, you're going to see the camera show up. Take a picture of your square item by pressing this camera button, or this camera button. Okay? Once you press it, it will take a picture. Now make sure you hold it still. Your face doesn't have to be in it if you don't want to. You could just take a picture, but hold it up so you can see the whole object. Don't hold it too close because I can't tell what it is if it's that close. Make sure it's far enough away. Click. And if you're satisfied with the picture, you can stop with that. And then I want you to come over here to this microphone over here. Click on the microphone. And in 3, 2, 1, you're going to talk. And you're going to say what your object is and what it is shaped like. A napkin is shaped like a square. When you're done, you're going to press this pause button. Now, I didn't love that. I didn't think it was great. I need to say it again. Remember, when you record, the 3, 2, 1, 0, go starts. You have to wait to start talking until that countdown begins. So I'm going to press this X, and it says exit recording. Your drawing is going to be saved, but I want to redo my recording. So I'm going to press this red button to go out of it, and I'm going to do it again, okay? So I'm going to think about what I'm going to say. Once I've planned that, then I can start recording. 3, 2, 1. A napkin is shaped like a square. Then I press pause. Now, what I can do is if I'm done with that, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to press done, this check mark up here. I can play it to see if I like it. A napkin is shaped like a square. Sounds good to me. I'm going to add that to my journal, okay? And that is what you're going to do today to show me that you know how to take a picture and you know how to record your voice. All right, I'm looking forward to seeing what kind of square things y'all find in your house today. Good luck, everybody.